I will start with this. This is Grumbacher Dioxazine Purple. Such a deep, pretty purple. Don't need too much. Just to show a difference at how deep this dioxazine is compared to Liquitex Basics Dioxazine Purple. It's a lot brighter. I'm not too sure if you can see the difference between the two, but yeah, that's what I was thought it was neat. Next, Liquitex Basics in Bright Aqua Green. I saw this and it kind of just jumped out at me. I think I have a thing for seafoam green, turquoisey colors. I don't know. It's really pretty to me. I'm gonna put you in your homes. Yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit more to the turquoise green. Always mix up more if I have to. Like, I just don't want to add too much to my cups, but at the same time I don't want to add too little. So I like to keep my paints separate in this sense, because this way I can have no silicone paints and then add silicone to a little bit. Next is Liquitex Basics in Quinacridone Magenta. Such a pretty pink, deeper pink color. I really like it. Next, I am going to use this. Oop, I'll put you here. Folk Art 14 Karat Gold. Stick for that one. And I'm gonna use another purple. Winsor Newton Winsor Violet. It's a lot lighter. It's more of a royal purple, I guess. Still pretty nonetheless. Do a little bit more than that. Okay. So I'm also going to use Payne's Gray, but I'm not going to put silicone in that. This is the cup I plan on using for my flip cup. I thought I had a stir stick for my... I did. Just put it in the wrong spot. Right, so now silicone is in. I like really stirring in my silicone. That way I know it's actually in there. There's some people that are honestly stir it like this and they're like, okay, I'm good. I'm like, no, actually mix it in there, please. It's painful to watch you just do that. Okay. And to save stuff from landing on my canvas, just let me move some of my containers out of the way. Still kind of need that. Don't need the stick. I need that still too. Oh, poo. Okay. So, first, if I can get it open. Here. Okay, here we go, got it. I'm gonna add some gray to the bottom. Now I'll add pink. This. Dark purple. Gold. Light purple. I'll do it all again, why not? Just a lot smaller layers. So gray seemed to cut all the way through. What the hell? Okay. Pink. Gray just disappeared. Was it pink? Green. Oh. Dark purple. Gold. Oof. Light purple. And I'm gonna add, just for safe measures, if I can get it open. Jeez. This, my Artist's Loft titanium white that I normally use as a base, so it's really thin, so it should just kind of cover it like that. There we go. I did pour it from up high, so it kind of cut through in some spots, but that's okay. I'm going to flip this. I feel like I should. Ooh, it's slidey. I'm gonna move my cups out of the way. And more of my containers out of the way. Now for the fun part. I want to see how this is going to work as a base color, because Prussian blue is so pretty and dries so nice too. Also, Jeff was nice enough to clean my larger palette knife for me, so I'm okay with that. Just grab some paint from over there and bring it around like that. There we go. Ooh, I didn't mean to push the cup though. Ugh. So life hasn't really been too terribly interesting for us. I got new shoes. That's the highlight of it. I am very happy with these shoes, to say the least. Normally I'm running around in flip-flops in the summertime. Don't really have sneakers until recently. So I'm very curious to see how this is going to work out. Okay, because this is a white, I am concerned with my edges. Because, well, consistency. And I don't really want to get gloves too terribly dirty, so I can just kind of run it like that. But I can also pick up paint and do this with it, which is nice. Please? There we go. That looks good, I think. No, I can't really see this. I guess I got it now. I can see something happening. Okay. Still gonna do a form of a flip cup. Let me grab. No, I'm just gonna flip it. Never mind. I was gonna do a floating cup. Change my mind. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Woo, that's pretty. Hey, I gotta grab my torch. My chair's in the way. Spin. Yay for leaving things alone. That's so cool. Okay. I'm happy I put the white down because it made the Prussian blue on the outsides kind of do something other than just relax, I guess. Alright. See what I can get from this. Wow. Yeah, I'll go with this corner now. I have a lot of paint, wow. It's so neat. It looks cool. Looks really good with me so far. I'm trying to get it so it's still in frame. That's pretty. That is so pretty. I'm just trying to wipe off all the paint that I have on me now. I got paint all over myself. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna just check my edges real quick. Give her a good looky-loo. There we go. Wow, it's kind of neat. It kind of looks like a weird version of Northern Lights. That's kind of what I see here. So, if there's any more silicone. You just saw that spot looked a little empty. Okay. And it's creating a bunch of little microcells, and I'm so happy! Stay. Also, we went out and got more Floetrol so I can continue doing this for longer. Yay! That's always good, right? I somehow got paint on this cup. Oh, whatever. There's so many little cells, and now my string from my sweater can just get out of the way. Okay. That is so neat. I'm gonna get you down for a close up looky-loo. You know, all that jazz. I still think it looks like Northern Lights. It's so cool. So before I go and show you the painting, I wanted to show you all of these because they came out really cool too. Especially the ones that still have like all the blue in them. It makes me want to get more cabochons in the future. That's for sure. Anyways, the painting, after all. It came out really cool. All the microcells that decided to pop up. And the dark blue base kind of worked. It's better than I really thought it was going to. It looks like Northern Lights to me. But of course, Northern Lights, Canadian, go figure. Let me know what you think of this painting down in the comments below. Like this video if you like this video. Share with your friends to spread the love. And subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you next time.